Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making black bean and corn salsa. For this easy recipe, we need a can of black beans, a can of corn, a bell pepper, red onion, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, olive oil, and a lime. So first I'm going to drain a can of beans. And now put black beans in a bowl. And next I'm going to drain a can of corn. And also put it in a bowl with black beans. And next I'm going to cut the bell pepper into very small pieces. And now once I cut the bell pepper, I'm going to add it to black beans and corn. And now I'm going to cut the onion. So we only need 1/2 of the onion for this recipe. So I'm going to cut half. And also cut it into similar size, very small pieces. And now, once you finish cutting the onion, let's add it to our bowl with the ingredients. So this was half a red onion. Now, if you want this salsa to be spicy, another addition could have been a jalapeno. So for a spice, just chop half a jalapeno or the whole. And I like it mild, so that's why I didn't include it. So now I'm going to season it. So I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And also you can adjust it to taste. Sometimes the black beans are more salty than others compared, it depends on the brand. So you can always add more salt to taste if needed. And I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And instead of garlic powder, you can also use minced fresh garlic. It's also great in a salsa. So it's half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And now I'm going to make a dressing. So I'm going to measure 1/4 cup of olive oil. And juice of 1 lime. So I'm just gonna cut this lime into quarters and squeeze it. So just squeeze it into the olive oil, and then we'll mix it together to make a dressing. So now I'll use a fork to whisk together lime juice and olive oil. And now let's add the dressing to our black bean and corn salsa. And let's mix everything until combined. Perfect. Look at this colorful, delicious, healthy black bean and corn salsa. Now you can serve it with chips or you can eat it as a salad. It's a great, healthy recipe. You will love it. Now I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. It's so tasty, so fresh, healthy, and delicious. Tastes as good as it looks. You're going to love this salsa. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!